In this video, we will discuss the process of creating and contributing to tickets. There are several ways that tickets are created in ServiceNow. The most common method that we promote to customers is by contacting our help desk. They can do so by phone or email. When customers contact the help desk, they create a ticket for the request or incident and route it to the most appropriate support team. If you are contacted directly by a customer, you can navigate to Incidents or Requests in ServiceNow and choose the Create New option to open a new ticket for that customer. As explained in a previous video, you can determine whether a ticket should be categorized as a request or an incident depending on what the customer is requesting or reporting. Requests are normally submitted by clients who are looking for a type of service, software, or hardware. Incidents are defined as unplanned events that interrupt service quality. ServiceNow tickets are configured to display as much content about the customer and the situation as possible. At the beginning of a ticket, you'll notice there is information about the client. When filling out a new ticket, start by typing in the customer's name. Doing so will automatically generate additional content about the customer, such as their email, phone, campus, building, and room number. This automation saves you a lot of time. However, it is still important to check the accuracy of the information provided in the ticket. A customer such as a faculty member might have their own office that will automatically populate into the ticket, but the request or incident may actually be related to a classroom rather than their office. You can replace the text in any field. Making sure this information is correct will allow other IT staff to recognize patterns in reports. A few required fields other than the customer information include the contact type, which should always be on site when you are opening a ticket for a customer. If you are the customer, it can be set to self-service. All other choices are reserved for use by the help desk. There is also the assignment group field. You can click the search icon next to any field to search for the most appropriate entry. The Assign To field is not required. The short description and description fields are required. You should treat the short description field as you would a subject line in an email. The description field should contain as much initial information about the request or incident as you can provide. When making updates to tickets, you have two text fields available to add your updates. The first is work notes. Updates that are provided in the work notes field will not generate an email update to the customer. Entering text into the comment field will automatically send an email update. The practice area field is a way of generally categorizing your ticket for reporting. The category field is a little more specific way to categorize your ticket based on the practice area. The subcategory field is only shown on incident forms. Choose these options to the best of your ability. The impact, urgency, and priority fields will allow you to categorize a ticket to make it a higher priority. A ticket that is considered priority 1 is an extremely urgent matter, such as a disruption of hardware or software that is preventing a class from taking place, and a tech should be en route to address the situation immediately. The priority field is calculated depending on what you select for the impact and urgency. Customers who are designated with a VIP status are automatically elevated by one priority level. When you've entered as much information as you can about the customer, the request or incident description, and any work updates, you can update the ticket by clicking the Submit button. You can revisit the ticket to edit any information up to this point. When revisiting a ticket, the Submit button is no longer available. When finished making updates or adding comments or work notes, press the Update button to save your changes. When a ticket is ready to be resolved, you can add the last update in the Close Notes field. This field should summarize the work you did to resolve the ticket, so that it can be easily located in the case where a related ticket is generated at a later time. Once you've entered thorough close notes, click the Resolve button to close out the ticket. In the next video, we will discuss the process of creating and updating knowledge base articles.